Hi class, it's Rosalie. So we're working on sorting and filtering data this week without using a table. So if I wanted to go ahead and sort through this data, I would probably start with product type. So I'll go ahead and select all the data. I would go ahead and select product type. My order is going to be HB. And there we have all the baking powders together, all the baking sodas together, brown sugar, butter, so forth, so forth. So now if I wanted to be able to filter this data, I would, by product type, which it looks like that's what she's trying to do, or they compare the best pricing might be. So I will go ahead and filter. And then I can actually filter out by supplier, by product type. So if I wanted to just look at baking powder, for example, you can just leave that one selected. And then I can also sort this data from smallest to largest. And that would be able to show me where I can see that US Foods actually has the best pricing for baking powder, for example. I think that's how it would be helpful. Also, you would be able to select all. You can also filter your suppliers. So if you just want to see what Performance Food Group, for example, will show you. And this way you can see all their products and the pricing. I can't wait to see what else I learned from you guys. And hopefully we can teach each other a few new things. Thanks.